DTG, screen printing, sublimation, you've done it all. And then comes the DTF hype and you're thinking, will this take my small business to the next level? Or maybe it's just your hobby wanting the coolest shirts in town. In any case, in today's video I'll promise you this. I'll save you weeks of research, help you avoid losing thousands of dollars buying the wrong machine, and teach you the tricks of the trade in DTF. By the end, you'll be able to make insane prints like this, and even this. You'll know what to expect financially and will double your chances of success compared to any beginner. Before we get to the banger 5 best DTF machines you can find, a quick heads up, these machines are a bit complex. And without the know-how, it's easy for your prints to look like they came out of a crime scene. But don't worry, I have a quick crash course. Getting you up to speed will only take us 1 hour. Wait, you don't have 1 hour? That's fine because I've condensed it into 5 minutes. Along the way, I'll drop some keywords to help you out with bonus tips and tricks. Alright, let's start with the basics. What is DTF? Direct to film is a method that allows you to print your designs onto special sheets which then transfer onto shirts, hats, or more. With just a few clicks, you will become a shirt wizard. Of course, other methods of printing exist too. And if you check this chart, DTF beats the competition in almost every category. It's like a tank fighting a bunch of PP guns. Small business machines are usually between 1.5 to 7 grand, while industrial scale printers can hit 30 grand. Now let's see how DTF printers actually work. You gotta focus, because if you miss these key details, your design will look like it was decorated by spaghetti. And your printer? It will hide from you in witness protection. First, you have to fire up your creative genes and make a design on Photoshop, Illustrator, Affinity Photo, or if you're feeling lazy, you can grab ready-made designs online from websites like Freepik, Vecteezy, and Etsy. Once you've found your design, it goes into a RIP software. Think of it as the translator, converting your masterpiece into printer language. Luckily for you, all the machines in this video have free software included. That's rare. It's like the government saying, you paid enough taxes this year, keep the $400 change. Once your design's in the RIP, hit print and watch the magic begin. The printer sucks DTF inks through tubes into the printhead. Low and mid-range printers like the ones in today's top 5 use CMYK plus white colors, hitting 60% of the full color spectrum. Even your TV will be jealous of the color pop these machines produce. But higher-end machines above 10K are CMYK plus white plus RGB, achieving 80%. Once the ink reaches the printhead, voila, the printer starts spitting out ink at a microscopic level of details. It's important to notice how small each nozzle is. All these droplets are falling onto a PET sheet, which perfectly creates the image ready for future steps. First layer is the main image, second layer is the white background. Next, grab the sheet and sprinkle some powder on top. Yeah, no, not flour, we're cooking up shirts here, not grandma's cookies. DTF powder is your secret ingredient to get the design to stick to the shirt. Almost done. All you have to do now is cure your PET sheet in either the oven or the heat press. And then heat press your design onto your shirt permanently. And congrats, a bombastic shirt. Now that you understand the process, let's talk money. Most people overhype the high-end machines even though it's actually a bad idea when starting out. They'll tell you low-end machines are slow, clog more and need more maintenance, while higher-end machines have slightly better colors and smoother textures. All of that's true. But are you really going to buy a Ferrari to learn how to do parallel parking? Here's why you want low/mid-end machines. No hype, just numbers. It costs around $5 to make a shirt. Let's say you sell it for $25. That's around $20 profit per shirt, regardless of machine size. So where's the hype? Speed. High-end machines print around 30 units per hour, lower-end print 15 per hour. Work 5 hours a day and this is what you get. It sounds amazing, but here's the catch. Can your business sell 75 shirts a day every day? When starting, unless you have a hidden stadium of superfans hiding in your backyard, it's unlikely. So don't sweat on maxing out supply, focus on building demand. Learning sales takes some time, but if your designs pop, they will sell. And the machine will pay for itself in 3 days of printer work. Worst case scenario, if you don't manage to get your business going or you didn't like this new hobby, you didn't just throw $10,000 down the drain. Okay, great, you're almost ready for the top 5. Here are some beginner mistakes that everyone makes, but not you. Instead of winging it, you were smart enough to watch this video. You'll be fine. Mistake number 1. Buying a printer from Alibaba because it's cheap. Beginners think, warranty? Customer service? Who needs those? 2. Buying a used machine with no warranty and clogged print heads equals instant regret. 3. Going straight to high-end machines that won't even fit through the house door or need an advanced electrical setup to run. 4. Not using the RIP software properly. Type the following on YouTube. 5. Not cutting out the confidence strip or touching the ink while it's still wet when adding powder. Rest in peace design. 6. Skipping powder instructions. You need the Goldilocks zone for best results. Too little and your design fades. Too much and texture starts to feel like Mount Everest. 7. Not getting a good heat press, using the wrong temperature and reading the numbers in Celsius instead of Fahrenheit. And 8. Not doing the right daily, weekly and monthly maintenance on the machine. Bye durability. Type this on YouTube. Okay, you're up to speed. Let's get going. Links for all the machines and extra stuff can be found in the description below. And coming in at number 5, we've got the A4 Carbcolords L8058. Perfect for beginners who want affordable, vibrant prints with minimum stress and headaches. Finding a solid DTF machine for under $2,000? Nearly impossible. But this bad boy is an exception. It cranks out A4 sheets in just 3 minutes. Powered by the XP600 printhead, usually seen in $3,000 to $7,000 machines. It's 200% faster than the old L1800 printhead and far more durable. Some brands brag about hitting 1440 DPI, but don't be fooled, any machine can do that. If you slap fresh paint on a crumbling house, sure, it'll look nice while it lasts, but what really matters is the foundation, the printhead. Here are the specs for XP600, solid all around. Look, A4 is half the size of A3, but at this budget, it's as good as it gets. Still impressive for 2K. Carbcolords comes with some extra yummies too, so you start printing the moment it arrives. 250 ml of each ink, 500 grams of DTF powder, 100-meter roll. And yes, like every machine on this list, it's got a roll feeder. When it comes to durability, this machine punches above its weight class. First up, it's got a white ink mixing system that helps improve ink flow consistency and reduce clogging, a beginner's #1 nightmare. You'll love the one-button printhead cleaning feature. That one button will save you thousands in maintenance costs. That button gives your machine a full spa session. It's just missing the cucumbers. It doesn't have white ink circulation, so you need to be more active with your machine beauty care. The design's smart, with integrated ink tanks, refills are quick, and here's a bonus. You don't have to spend $450 on a RIP software. It comes with the machine, and it's easy to install. When starting out in DTF printing, customer support is critical. Carbcolords offers a user manual, teaching instructions, and 3 years of reliable 24/7 customer support. They'll help you improve print settings and troubleshoot issues. Warranty is 18 months on parts, but not the motherboard or printhead. A bit disappointing, but normal at this price. So it's good that you're gonna be pampering your machine with those spa sessions. You can upgrade your order for special features, but I'd skip them and stay with the basics. Tight on cash? This printer lets you jump into the DTF world and produce high quality transfers. And sliding into number 4, we've got the Lancelot M1630 Pro, taking you from tiny A4 land straight into the big leagues with A3 printing. Basically double the canvas size, meaning you get full shirt designs, more creative freedom, and the ability to stop cutting your designs into awkward puzzles. It does 4-minute prints on A3. Powered by the same XP600 printhead we saw before, but this time paired with an arsenal of pro-level features that make life easier at $3,000. The first place the Lancelot shines is in maintenance. The last option had white ink mixing and one-button cleaning. This one takes it a step further with advanced white ink circulation. The white ink is constantly flowing through the nozzles, so you avoid the catastrophe of the ink drying in the tubes or printhead. Instead, go enjoy your holidays, enjoy some ice cream, while Lancelot channels its inner OCD on cleaning itself. The second big feature is the ink sensor. Whether your ink tanks are running dry or overflowing with waste, the machine will tell you. This is good because printing with low ink, where the sediments are, is a fast way to murder your machine. The third big win, workflow. Nice and smooth. With an improved film delivery system for less paper jams, a smart auto-cut option to skip scissors, and a freaking laptop with a built-in RIP software so you don't waste time troubleshooting and updating drivers. You get a similar starter kit as the last option with a bonus oven for curing. Lancelot does customer support differently. They skip endless emails and go direct to the user with WhatsApp. Forget about waiting days for replies, they will text you back faster than your best friend. Warranty is also improved, because now you have 1 year on parts and 3 months on the motherboard and printhead. Improved, but still not the strongest. You probably won't be using it. With all these extra features, it's no surprise that this is the most popular DTF printer in the market. It's great for beginners and reliable enough for small businesses to make a profit. Now number 3 is a beast, the HTVRONT D1, the ultimate bang for buck printer. If you cannot decide between this printer and the Lancelot, here's my advice. Get whichever is cheaper. Both deliver crisp, gorgeous prints with rock solid specs. It uses the F1080A1 printhead, part of the XP600 family, but has an improved print size of A3+, giving you 10% more workspace for your masterpiece, or more room for mistakes. But let's stay positive. HTVRONT gets an A3+ sheet printed in around 3.5 minutes. The maintenance features are the same 3 as the Lancelot: auto white ink stirring, white ink circulation, and the one-button printhead cleaning system. No stress, no clogs. You get a built-in film cutter, included free software that connects to Windows 10 or higher via USB, and a crazy starter kit to get you rock and rolling. Check this out! Not only do you get the basic ink, powder, and transfer film, but you also get an all-you-can-eat buffet. $600 of material coupon. Your first projects are basically free. Warranty-wise, 12 months general, 6-month printhead, and a 30-day return window. That shows you how confident they are in their printer. Their customer support is easy to approach through calls, emails, and Facebook. So, if you're on a medium budget but want big size prints, longer reliability, and a lot of extra goodies, then get the HTVRONT. It's a popular printer, so peek at delivery times before you hit buy. And now number 2, the all-in-one powerhouse, or should I say powder house, InkSonic XP600. This monster machine will make you feel like you're running a 10K professional setup, but it's just $3,800. Insane. XP600 and A3+ print size are fine at this price range, but check this out, a full-blown assembly line. Automation. With this machine, you're skipping all the boring steps, just flick one button, go enjoy a walk, come back, and boom, batch job done. It's like you're meal prepping, but for shirts. The features here are huge. An automatic powder shaker, an automatic oven for curing. This combo reduces manual labor by 300% and improves print quality, adhesion, and smoothness. InkSonic includes a heat press, good for testing, but if you want consistent results, you'll want a proper heat press. My recommendation is in the links below. The machine has the standard white ink stirring, circulation, and cleaning, but it takes things up a notch with the filtering system for health and safety, because you don't want your lungs participating in your art projects. Even the starter pack is juicy. More ink, more powder, 100 meters of DTF film, some shirts for tests, and even cleaning solutions. If you spend a couple hundred extra bucks, you get a dedicated, pre-configured laptop with Windows and built-in software hassle-free. The InkSonic has a flashy LCD panel with some cool controls. As for customer support, they can literally remote control your laptop with your permission and fix things at the source. Probably the only time being hacked feels good. Warranty has a standard 30-day guarantee. Plus a unique offer, free one-time printhead replacement within 6 months. That's a huge safety net. Watch out for the following when ordering this printer. 1. Make sure it can fit through your doors. 2. Be careful, your bank account might actually get so full Elon Musk will start asking you for advice. InkSonic is the fastest way to scale your new DTF business. But wait until you see number 1, the final boss. The DX7 Vantage 14-inch printer. At $3,500, it doesn't crush the competition, it erases it. Machines with these specs? Normally 10 grand. The biggest upgrade never seen at this price until now is the printhead. Bye bye XP600, you did well. Now say hello to the new sheriff in town, the DX7. A printhead with sharper details, faster speed, better white ink handling, and an impressive lifespan. And it's not just the printhead, it's the 14-inch print width too. That's a 17% improved print space over the A3. Now you have enough size to print on absolutely anything with no size constraints. You again get the 3-core cleaning features: white ink stirring, continuous circulation, and automatic cleaning. But the Vantage throws in a maintenance kit, thinking long term. Sure, it doesn't have filtering or an assembly line, but instead it has features that will make even pros think, wait, printers can do that? 1. A hygrometer. What the hell is a hygrometer? It's basically a humidity sensor to keep consistent ink performance. 2. A built-in vacuum plate locks your film in place, so no shifting and no misprints. 3. A built-in heater to keep your ink at the perfect temperature. And 4. An ink tank continuous feeding system. You can now top up your ink on the fly without stopping your print jobs. All these points together mean longer printhead life and hours of back-to-back consistent prints every single time. For $250 extra, this is what you can expect from the starter kit. Warranty is alright, 6 months on the printhead, but getting this option means you get personalized training and support, so you know the tricks of the trade right away. Alright, that wraps up the list. You've graduated from beginner school, leveled up, and now you're a DTF junkie. Hit subscribe to keep boosting your tech stats. And if you're still not sure which machine is right for you, here's a nice comparison chart to help you out. Every spec side by side so you find your perfect match. Once again, all links are in the description below. Some important DTF tips didn't make it into this video. You can find those in the description too. And here's the final checklist of things you need to search for so you don't get lost in a rabbit hole. That's it from my side. Check these videos out and have a colorful day.